Hare Krishna. Today is day 6 and I'm going to discuss about repeated instance of cyber hacking, cyber bullying, cyber stalking and stalking, okay, and colluding and people who are supporting them, supporting the criminals, cyber terrorists. Before that, again, a plea to our honorable Prime Minister Modi sir. Today is day 5, and as this is a global movement against cyber terrorist and cyber bullying, cyber stalking and stalking, and orchestrating to deliberately hurt and give pain to others, spoiling, defaming their reputation, spoiling their relationships and bonds. Dear sir, I know, again, day 6, I know who the hackers are. I know their names. I know their faces. I know everyone who are supporting the hackers and who supported the hackers. I know everyone who bullied me. I know everyone who deliberately defamed me, spoiled my reputation, sabotaged my relationships, my bonds, my friend circles for no reason. They have achieved nothing. And as I mentioned earlier, I have no faith in our judicial system and law because it always tilts in the favor of powerful, rich people. The justice is not there for common people. Everyone is corrupt and everyone they just want to harass others, snatch others, bestow pain to others. So, I will start. Repeated instance of cyberbullying, stalking and hacking and cyber stalking, repeated hacking and cyber stalking and they are very serious offense under Indian law, and when done persistently they attract enhanced punishment under IT Act 2000 and under IPC, now mirrored as Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023. So IT Act Section 66, repeated instance. The first instance, what exactly IT Act 66 is: unauthorized access to computer system, mobile system, email system, altering, deleting or destroying data, causing wrongful loss and damage, okay, manipulating with AI system. First instance, the punishment is for 3 years plus 5 lakh, and repeated instance which is done deliberately, intentionally, and repeated instance it is more severe with further penalty. It also falls under IPC Act 120B, 120B and BNS Section 61. Cyber stalking, IPC Section 354D, BNS Section 77. It covers repeatedly following and contacting someone online despite disinterested, stalking them, following them online, offline, just to trouble and bully them, monitoring someone's digital activity such as social media, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. First instance, first conviction, 3 years plus fine. Subsequent instance, 5 years plus fine. These are the punishment. Section 499 and 500 IPC, BNC 354 355. Defamation if stalking includes public humiliation. Up to 2 years imprisonment, that is for first instance. And section 120B IPC BNS 61, criminal conspiracy if done with others by colluding with others. It is the same, it is considered as the same offense if someone is deliberately, intentionally supporting the criminals. Tomorrow, I'll be discussing about installing hidden surveillance devices in someone's home to monitor or stalk them, in which is again a very, very serious offense. Hare Krishna.